chances are if you're watching this review, there are a few reasons. One, you're a technology fan, or two, you're probably a fan of Star Wars, and these are the Xiaomi Buds 3 Star Wars edition. Yes, there are Buds 4, but these are specific Star Wars edition, and they are the Stormtrooper version as well. There is no other version, but just a Stormtrooper version. Now, the review here will go through how faithful these are to Star Wars, and also if beyond the special edition and fancy packaging, are they any good? Let's find out. Let's talk unboxing experience of the Xiaomi Buds 3 Star Wars edition. So first of all, when you open your box and you've emptied all its contents, this is what you get. So you've got a cool Stormtrooper, so looks like a lenticular thing, but it's not, it's cardboard, it's pretty cool. And then inside you've got your small and large buds, and then your cable, which is fantastic. It comes preset with a medium, so let's knock that bad boy closed, pop it over there for a second. Then you've got this really cool Star Wars booklet, so it kind of talks about the buds themselves, and then Star Wars in case you've been living under a rock, which I doubt you have. Then you've got the actual buds themselves, which are here. And you get that cool ass Stormtrooper on the front. So this feels like a super authentic tribute to any Star Wars special edition. And if you're a Star Wars fan, this is sick. The unboxing experience and what you get in a pretty cool package. But in terms of the buds themselves, the case is very slender, very shiny, very Apple-esque, very well built. USB-C connected at the bottom, and then at the front you have a Stormtrooper. In the middle of his head you've got the indicator for the LEDs. So pick that button there, you've got your green indicator, and obviously that'll be red, amber, white, green depending on what you're doing. And then when you pop it open, you get the buds themselves. Now, feel-wise, they feel very well built, but let's see what they sound like and how they feel in the ear. So pop these in. These are standardized tips, you do get two more. Let's chuck on some music. Let's do that. They're very secure, very AirPods-esque, as you can see by the fit. They come right the way down. So yeah, sound output's pretty good, and then they are not falling out. So sound output-wise, it's pretty good. I mean, the only really way you're going to see if you like them or not is if you actually test them yourself. And then these are the buds themselves. They're pretty cool, a little bit different compared to your normal Buds 3s. You've got like a black strip going up and down, and you've got your full volume control. You can customize these and the sound settings and functions, etc. via the Xiaomi Buds app. So there is the sound impression. In terms of the conclusion of wrapping things up here, if you are a fan of Star Wars and you want to get all the collector's bits and bobs that you enjoy, these are worth a punt, definitely. The Buds 3 from Xiaomi is a nice tribute to the Star Wars brand. Would have probably liked a few more different options. For some reason, anyone who does collector's editions of earbuds, they're always with the Stormtrooper. Cool, because it's the most iconic, but a Jedi or anything like that would have been quite cool. But otherwise, build, fit, finish is excellent. You get tons of customization options, and connections is super easy. They will of course work perfectly with iOS. The only downside I would say is they're not Buds 4, they're Buds 3s, which is a bit of a shame. They cost around £99, so around about $110, $115. So, and that's on a special promotion. I think the full retail price is £119, about $140. So factor that in, considerably cheaper than AirPods. Probably not as good, but on the same sort of level as Nothing Ear 1s or Ear 2s now that they're out as well. So factor in if you are looking to buy a pair of the Buds 3 Star Wars edition. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, as always, we out.